A lot of people don't know that you can actually get free advertising to put out your affiliate offers, especially when you're getting started. So, a lot of advertising platforms will offer free credits. So, if you sign up through specific links, you can get free credits here. So, like Udemy has $5 when you register. Google, pretty standard, they have 75 credit after you spend 25. It's only for new accounts. So if you've already done Google AdWords, this won't count, and it'll have to be a new account. Same with LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a 50 ad credit, and there is no requirement for this. You just get handed 50 bucks. And you just request it by email, and it'll tie right to your account, and so you can advertise up to $50 without spending anything, which is a great way to test your offer on LinkedIn. LinkedIn isn't a big fan of affiliate marketing, so make sure you're being on the up and up, having bridge pages, that sort of stuff, so you don't get your account banned. So a lot of different platforms have these offers. You just have to know where to look, and I've done that hard work for you. So I have a list of all the places where you can get good size ad credits free. It actually adds up to more than $1,000 in free advertising. So if you want that, the link is going to be in the video, and you can claim that to get yourself started on the right foot.